Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Hacoo app and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.